Let's solve very common and very important train problem that appears in almost like every competitive exam. So a train is 120-meter long and it's running at a speed of 72 km per hour. So how long would it take for the train to pass a man who is running at 18 km per hour? Be mindful they are going in the same direction. So we are given that the train is 120-meter long and the speed is 72 km per hour. And when it comes to the man who's running in the same direction, be mindful, is 18 km per hour. So from the question, we can write that length of the train will equal to 120 meter. Now 120 meter is also the distance, and the speed of the train is 72 km per hour. The speed of the man is 18 km per hour, and that in the same direction. So we need to find the time. If you know anything about the formula of distance, speed, and time, we can write that as time equal distance divided by speed. But first you need to convert the speed. If you look closely at the question, the speed of the train is given as kilometer per hour, whereas the distance is given as 120 meters. So we need to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second. How do we do that? We simply use this fraction, which is 5 divided by 18. You might be wondering, how did I get this fraction? Well, we know that 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters and 1 hour equal 3600 seconds. Because we are trying to convert from kilometer per hour, so we'll be using the base unit. And if I simplify that, I'll get 5 divided by 18. Now, if you want to convert from meter per second to kilometer, you can just flip the value, the denominator on top and the numerator on the bottom. Let's move on with the question. We need to convert the speed, so we know that train equal to 72 times 5 divided by 18. That would give me 20 meter per second. The unit also is changed. If you notice, man is 18 times 5 divided by 18. It will actually give me 5 meter per second. Now we can just plug in the value into our formula, which will equal to time equal distance divided by speed. First, we need to know about relative speed. When we're dealing with relative speed, we need to actually subtract the value of the train minus the speed of the man. We will have the final relative speed, which is 15. So if I plug in the value, which is 120 the distance and 15 is the speed, relative speed, I get time equal 8 seconds. So meter cancel, I get 8. So it would take like 8 seconds for the train to pass a man completely.